This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Forex Report with Scott Norse.
Good afternoon, traders, and welcome back from the weekend. I'm Scott Norse here with today's Forex Report. Today is June 23rd, 2008. The dollar really surprised and impressed us in the first 24 hours of trading as it rebounded from a very tough week. The greenback may have rallied this morning on a mixture of news and events, including yet another round of disappointing German data. It is becoming clear each week just how much Europe is hurting. Additionally, the oil meeting that took place over the weekend resulted in a pledge from Saudi Arabia to increase production. This should help ease oil prices, but today we saw just the opposite. Crude was up nearly $3 at one point and dangerously close to the 140 highs. Gold, on the other hand, traded sharply to the downside and may have been another factor in the dollar's rally. Some strategists pointed to the upcoming Fed meeting as a possible influence, but we disagree. As far as we can tell, there is zero chance of a hike, and we've already heard all the hawkish rhetoric in the world from Fed officials. On the technical front, things are a little confusing today. After ending on a sour note and opening up with guns blazing, we are trying to figure out just what dollar bulls and bears are doing. It seems as if they are alternating days to stay in bed while the other dominates the market. Realistically, we can only assume that uncertainties are still too great to push things too far in either direction. Of course, given the long-term picture, such a theme must favor the dollar just a little, given its deeply oversold state. Yen cross pairs mostly moved lower today as the buck gained just a few pips on the Asian currency and more than 100 against the European trio. We are still under the impression that risk appetite in the Forex is relatively high considering how far stocks are off. Our outlook is still for a yen rebound sometime in the near future. Till tomorrow, have a wonderful night trading. Take care.